We are in apartment 369. This is a blazer floor plan. This is a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. And when you walk in, directly to your left is this beautiful kitchen. So you can see a ton of cabinet space in here. And you have this beautiful black backsplash that just is perfect with these stainless appliances. You can see you have this large center island here with space to tuck in your bar stools. And this also has extra storage in the island as well as space for your microwave. So let's check out this kitchen from this angle so you can see everything. Got that huge refrigerator. Again, lots of space. And when you walked in, if you noticed over here on the side of the kitchen, you have your coat closet. And then the double doors next to that are your full-size washer and dryer, and they're front loading. And this also offers you extra storage, which is nice for laundry. And then we'll check out the living space. So this is a beautiful open concept, so you'll never miss a moment while you're entertaining. So this opens right up to your living space. You can see there's a lot of room in here. There's actually probably room in between for a small pub table if you'd like extra space for dining. Then we walk into the living area here. And I'll show you this whole space from this angle. This one does have a great personal terrace out here. So this is much larger than most terraces. So a good amount of space out here. You can see the view as well. Let's check out the bedroom. So we'll walk around this corner here, and the bedroom has these beautiful windows. You do have a ceiling fan in here. A good amount of space in this room. And then right next door is your bathroom. So this does have this double sink. And you have the same cabinets, lots of extra space in here. And this beautiful tile floor. The shower is also tiled, and it's got these beautiful glass doors as well. And when you walk through, you have your linen closet here on the right. And then your California closet. And this one is massive. So if you have lots of shoes and you need extra storage, this is perfect for you. It is so large. You walk all the way in. You even have storage behind the door as well. Check out the bathroom from this angle. And one little key note here too, if this one offers you a little extra space in your bedroom because it has this pocket door so that you can access your bathroom from your bedroom directly as well, but it also doesn't take up space for the door to swing open in your bedroom, so you have a little bit more room in there. Then we'll walk in here one more time.